Today we are going to visit the Drongzang Dorjee Chang, and in Chinese called also Qutan Si monastery. So this Drongzang Dorjee Chang is a Gelugpa monastery in Drongzang region of Amdo, Tibet. So actually currently located in Drongzang area. It's about 10 miles south of Ledu County and 40 miles of Xining in Qinghai province. It was founded in 1392 by Zanglo Lama Sangji Dashi. It was built on the site of Kagyu Monastery. It is famous for its symmetrical complex of temples in Sino-Tibetan style. This temple is one of the finest remaining examples of ancient palace architecture. In common with many other Buddhist temples, it includes the following structure: Diamond Hall, Gotama Hall, Precious Light Hall, Hall of Flourishing and Nation, Bell Tower, a Drum Tower, a Steel Pavilion. However, it is best known for its exquisite murals, which only enrich the main halls, but which also decorate the inner ambulatory that surrounds the temple's inner courtyard. The murals in the surrounding ambulatory, which tells the stories of Buddha's precious and incarnations. There are several old stupas in the courtyard, include stupa of Bodhicitta, stupa of Buddha descending from Diva or heaven, stupa of gold deed, etc. This is also one of the only few best preserved monastery in Qinghai province, Andu region. Therefore, it is one of the base of study and research, ancient architecture, and attracts students and researchers from all over the world. So the temple also contains more than 300 Buddhist scriptures, works such as Ganjur, Danjur. So all this included in the monastery, and we had a great time spend time here and monastery. And if ever you go there, be sure to visit this monastery. For sure, it's ancient, about 600 years old monastery, exists today intact.